It's an online series classes and me DK Singh, and today I'm going to explain about the hydrocarbon and its compound. So first of all, let's start about the hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon, before explaining the hydrocarbon, we should know about the organic and inorganic substance. This material world, in material world there are a lot of substances are there. It is divided into two parts. One is the organic compound, another is inorganic compound. Organic compound means the compound which is composed by carbon, hydrogen or carbon, hydrogen and others. That is called organic compound. And inorganic compound, that is either maybe carbon or there is no hydrogen, or maybe there is a hydrogen or no carbon, or maybe other substances are there. Anyway, these substances, organic compound, their main source is living things, whereas in organic substance their main sources are comes from the earth crust. And let's see, today our topic is hydrocarbon, which comes under the organic substance. So let's start hydrocarbon. The substance which is composed by carbon and hydrogen is known as hydrocarbon, and hydrocarbon is a unlimited substance. Organic substances are unlimited in the world. Even day by day we are getting a new substance, whereas organic substance that is limited on the earth. Hydrocarbon, especially it is made up of carbon and hydrogen. So let's see the properties of carbon. Carbon comes under the metalloid because carbon having 4 electrons in their outer shell and it required more 4 electrons. So carbon element is it has a 4 that is valency, and it makes a covalent bond. And hydrogen, it has a 1 electron in their outer shell, so it required 1 electron and it make a stable. So carbon required a 4 covalent bonds, and hydrogen it required a 1 bond. Now carbon makes a chain, long chain with another carbon. This is a special property of a carbon which is known as the catenation. Here we are going to discuss about the part of a hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon is divided into two parts. One is known as the saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon means the bond between carbon and carbon is a single, that is the saturated hydrocarbon. And unsaturated hydrocarbon means the carbon where the bond between carbon and carbon is double or triple, that is called unsaturated hydrocarbon. According to the reactivity, unsaturated hydrocarbon is more reactive than the saturated hydrocarbon. Now let's see the part of a hydrocarbons. Again, saturated hydrocarbons having one branch, that is alkene. In alkene, its general formula is CnH2n plus 2, and its suffix is ane, and the bond between carbon and carbon is single. And it starts with a first member of carbon, where in CnH2n plus 2, N is known as the number of carbon. If number of carbon is 1, then it is called a meth. If number of carbon is 2, it is called eth. Where carbon is 3, it's a prop. Similarly, carbon 4, bute, and carbon 5, it is a pent, hex, hept, or